Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name's Tracy.
I'm Ashley.
It is super late here. We're getting ready to get everything to go down to Baker Creek Seed Planting Festival that's this weekend. It's actually Sunday and Monday.
But we're actually leaving Saturday midday so we can get down there in good time in case we have any issues with the bus or anything like that.
Yeah, so we, excuse me, so we actually had a blowout yesterday on the schoolie, and but my dad came to the rescue. He had some wheels and tires for us. Ashley and I swapped all 4 wheels and tires on the back, on the rear axle, and we've been driving that thing everywhere.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah, so like I said, I drove it to town yesterday. We drove it home last night. We drove it back to town this morning. Then we went to Columbia and went grocery shopping in it. And yeah, so it's been quite the experience. But Doug had told us, he said, man, I probably wouldn't just jump in that thing since it's been setting. You know, you need to take it on some test runs. So we're just trying to drive it as much as possible before we head out on Saturday. Well, anyway, so I thought, well, what are we going to do down at Baker Creek? You know, we're not really speaking on anything. You know, not everybody wants to know everything there is about blackberries. If you guys want to know everything there is about blackberries, we'll leave a link for that right up there. But I thought, well, what can we do for people down there? Well, we decided that we would give away seed packets, and we're calling it a Dill Pickle Pack. Farm Alarm Dill Pickle Pack. So on the back of our business card here, we stapled a nice Farm Alarm sticker plus 2 packs of seeds. And this is stuff that we've grown here on our farm, and we've harvested the seeds at the end of the year. So you're getting, or we're giving away a pack of Achocha cucumber seeds. They're real exotic, rare cucumber seed. We actually got those from Zach at American Homestead. And American Homestead, we probably bought those like 3 years ago, and just a couple packs. And you know, we've grown a tremendous amount of them. And the cool thing is, they produce seeds that you can harvest every year, and we have way more than we'll ever plant just from last year. And some of them ended up getting thrown away. So from what we did save the seeds from, we got quite a bit. Plus we got some dill that my grandma's been growing for a long time, and we got some of that last year, and so we've got some dill here. So that's why we're calling this a Dill Pickle Pack, Farm Alarm Dill Pickle Pack. And so you can grow these real rare seeds and then grow your dill as well. And that dill, it goes into everything, man. We love to put that in our salad, just fresh dill. But both of these are basically the gift that keeps on giving, because you know they're going to keep producing seeds for you every year. And with the dill, it's going to produce seeds, and it's just going to fall to the ground and just kind of, you know, it'll keep coming back up by itself every year. So it's pretty cool stuff. But anyway, we just wanted to show you the Farm Alarm Dill Pickle Packs, and we got quite a bit of them here, and we're just going to give them away to people.
I think we're going to have some hats too, right?
Yeah, we'll have some hats down there.
Interested in getting some hats.
Yeah, but it's going to be quite the ride, 3 hours for us from where we're at, and it is going to be pretty crazy taking our schoolie for the first time somewhere. We've taken it on short trips, but yeah, never 3 hours away. So we really hope to make it. But we've got a few more of these to make. We're about to run out of staplers in our mighty big stapler here. So we appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you on the next video. Maybe we'll see you down at Baker Creek Seed Festival.